Welcome back. Feast of Our Lady of Rosary was celebrated in Navali with great pomp and gaiety. Thousands of people flocked to the church to seek her blessings. This feast calls to the faithfuls of the state to celebrate the feast. People from Navali who are settled across the globe come down to Goa to honor Our Lady of the Rosary and celebrate the feast with their beloved. Have a look.
कितली वर्सां फाटीं तुझा सगळी आमची फाटलून आमची आसकडीन करून दवरल्या ही आमकां राखता आनी राखतली सांबाळटा आनी सांबाळटली आनी कुडी वाटेन दोशोत्म्य वाटेन आमकां कितें जाय तें शेजू कडेन आमकां दिता आनी ती नासता.
Now a look at the other events in the state.
VM Salgaonkar Institute of International Hospitality Education had Diwali celebrations.
This is also part of learning for the students and to organize an event, and the outcome is students participate, everyone puts in so much of effort.
This has been doing every year. Last year also we have done, this year we have done, and we intend to do every year.
Famous Dindi Mahotsav is all set to commence from 19 November in Margao. 5-day long festival will go on till 24th.
19 तारखेक उद्घाटन सोहळो, ताजे नंतर हबप श्री रवींद्र बुवा चिखलीकर पुणे यांचे कीर्तन, ताजे कीर्तनाचे कार्यक्रम 20 तारखेक, त्याच बरोबर 21 तारखेक आणि 21 तारखेक अभंग सांज म्हणून सिद्धिविनायक हौसी भजनी मंडळ हांचो कार्यक्रम आसतलो.
Kshatriya Maratha Yuva Sangatna for the first time is organizing 2-day Maratha Food Festival on 21st and 22nd November at Ravindra Bhavan.
जे आमची मराठाची फूड आणि अदर कल्चर्स आहा ते लोकां पर्यंत पावोवचें आनी नॉर्मली कितें जाता जे कोणी अशे समाजाचे प्रोग्राम करतात जाल्यार इट इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड फॉर ओन्ली फॉर अवर समाज आसा. आमचो उद्देश वेगळो आसा, सगळ्या समाजाक घेवन मुखार वचपाचो आसा. सो आमी कोणाकूच रिस्ट्रिक्शन घालनासतना ओपन फॉर ऑल प्रोग्राम दवरला.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.